Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add skills to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your expertise and make your profile more discoverable to recruiters and potential employers who are searching for specific skill sets. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your profile dashboard. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. Now shift your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile picture and name. Click directly on your profile to open it. This will take you to your full profile page where you can view and edit all your professional information. Now you're on your profile page. Take a moment to scroll down slightly until you locate the Add section button. This button is your gateway to enhancing your profile with additional information. It's typically positioned below your profile summary and work experience sections. Click on Add section to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for expanding your profile. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Add Skills. Click on it to proceed. This action will open up a new interface specifically designed for managing your skills section, allowing you to input and organize the abilities you want to highlight on your profile. Now comes the important part. You'll see a text field where you can input your skills. Start typing in the skills that best represent your expertise and professional capabilities. LinkedIn will often suggest related skills as you type, which can help you discover additional relevant skills to add. Choose the ones that align with your experience and career goals. Once you've added all the skills you want to showcase, click Save to confirm your additions. This will update your profile immediately with your newly added skills. And that's it. You've successfully added skills to your LinkedIn profile, making it easier for others to find you based on your expertise. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.